The air fryer has become one of the most popular kitchen appliances in the United States. Now, a lot of people use it for French fries, some for chicken wings, some are even cooking steaks in their air fryer. But did you know that you can air fry rice? Just like the fried rice you would get from your Chinese takeout, you can make it home if you know a few supermarket shortcuts and you've got an air fryer. Now, we're going to start with some cooked rice, some cooked white rice, and get that into a bowl. Then we're going to take peas and carrots and pop those in. This closely resembles Chinese pork that you might see or you get from a restaurant. Then some fresh ginger minced. And this is a supermarket shortcut. These are your cubed pineapple pieces. And then we're going to pop in a little oyster sauce, which will add great flavor. And then finally some soy sauce. Now all this gets stirred and combined. Boy, it smells just like fried rice because it's got all the same ingredients. Now let's get our basket and get this inside. Slowly so we don't spill. Perfect. Now we'll pull this out, pop the basket inside, get this back into the air fryer, and then come down to 350 degrees, go up to 20 minutes, hit our start button. So we've got the machine on. We'll let this cook for about 10 minutes, give it a stir, and then let it cook 10 minutes more. When it comes out, it's piping hot, perfect and crispy. Serve this with a little garnish of scallions, and you've got fried rice from your air fryer that will rival any Chinese takeout.